Hi guys, welcome to the back of my new van. This is going to be my van conversion project over the next few months. Stay tuned if you want to see me reveal the van. Some of you can probably work out what it is just by the shape of the back here. And be sure to subscribe if you want to see loads of videos over the next few months of me adding more and more stuff to make this into a full-time camper van for van life. So no prizes for guessing. It is a Volkswagen T5. It's a 2009. It's in pretty good condition. Owned previously by a electrician, so it hasn't been worked hard. It's got lovely wheels on it. Bodywork's in good nick. I've done a couple of quick jobs on it already. One of them is adding the reversing camera to the back there. Has got a little dink there, which is a shame. And I knocked it with my toolbox the other day and put a tiny little dink in the side door down there somewhere. But it's not as bad. So generally, in very, very good condition. Okay, so it's a bench seat, but the seats are in very, very good condition. Slightest little crack in the driver's seat. A couple of other things I've added are a reversing camera monitor. I know you can do these through head units and stuff, and that's for the future, but that's something I already had. And a little holder there for my phone, for when I'm using maps, etc. Currently got those pieces out because I changed the cigarette lighter socket, the 12 volt socket. I changed that so it's coming up as a USB socket up in the dash, and it's switched, so there is a little switch there on the dashboard to power that up. I need to switch that little monitor as well though. So generally in very, very good condition. Okay, from the outside you can see I've removed the side step. I will be replacing that with a deeper step so that it will hide and cover completely any flooring I put in. Now I have got, it did come with full ply lined. I've taken that out, hence why this all looks so good. I'm going to keep that ceiling, maybe tidy it up a little bit. Remove the lights, tidy that up somehow. The ply will go back. I shall felt trim the van at some point. I've already fitted, and I'll show you how I did that at some point, a twin double seat swivel, which opens up the space of the van massively. I haven't quite finished the reversing camera yet. It works, but I took that panel off and I need to run the cabling better. I couldn't thread it through the plastic channel, so I've now got a coat hanger and hopefully I can redo that. So there we go. Quick look at the new van. Hi guys, so I've got loads of ideas of things I want to do when I convert this van. I've yet to decide on an exact layout, but I know this is the van that I wanted. This is a van I've wanted for many a year. I toyed with the idea of a bigger van, but it just wasn't for me, just too big. I prefer to drive the smaller vans, go anywhere, and this is still a massive step up from the Renault Kangoo that I've recently had and the VW Caddy I had in the past. So I'm quite excited on them grounds. I will be at the Overland and Motorhome Show at Stratford-upon-Avon in a couple of weeks' time. So if you're there and you see me, please say hello. There won't be much to show you than you've seen in this video. I will literally be camping in the back of a panel van. As I mentioned before, please subscribe if you want to see all the things I'm going to be doing to this van, some of the products I'm going to use, reviews of some of the tools I'm going to use, and some ideas for the future. It's been a really weird year and I can't wait to get back to van life. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.